session we covered very clearly about git log command. Have you remembered, right? Git log command we discussed in detail. Sir, what are various options are available? Okay, almost around sir 5 to 6 options. I explained very clearly for clearly for you people, right? Sir, now the same way we have to talk about the complete story of git diff command. Okay, there is another command we have to perform postmortem. Git diff command, remember this one. What is the command, sir? Can you please spell out? What the command we have to discuss? Git diff. Git diff command, sir. Okay, like sir, in the git, do you know our files are available in what are various locations? Can you please confirm, sir? Okay, can you please confirm in which locations our file will be there, sir? Maybe our file will be there, maybe. Okay, in the, sir, can you please spell out these four areas? Not required to keep any explanation about these, because in the git from first class onwards we are discussing about this. Sir, what is the first one? Working directory. Okay, what is the second one, sir? Can you please tell? You have to tell. Okay, what the second one? Staging area. Okay, second one is the staging area. The third one is what is the third one? Please respond. Okay, local repository. What the fourth one, sir? Can you please spell out? The fourth one is remote repository like GitHub. But anyway, we didn't discuss as of now. So remote repository, maybe soon we will discuss in detail about that. Okay, sir, first new file should be created where? Okay, in the working directory. Okay, now, sir, I created a new file. I added some code for this. Sir, I want to commit this one. If I want to commit, sir, what I have to do is, sir, here, do you know, I have to add this one. I have to add this one to a staging area. Correct or not? Can you please confirm, sir? I require to add to staging area. And then, so I have to commit this. I require to commit this one, sir, to the local repository. So in the local repository, multiple versions are there, multiple commits are there. Okay, so this file may be part of multiple commits also. First commit it may be there, second commit it may be there, third commit it may be there, we don't know that. Okay, it will be there. Okay, like once you commit, so in how many places the file may be a chance to exist. Forget about remote repository. At last, sir, we will discuss about this one. Of course, the file may exist in the remote repository also. Okay, like now take a bit special case, sir. Sir, I committed the changes. Sir, after committing the changes, sir, in the same file I added some more extra things. Assume that I added some more extra things, like I added, right? Sir, now there is a difference between local copy, working directory copy, and the staging area. Correct or not? Please respond. Your response is the very important for me to continue. Sir, can you please tell? I added some changes here. If I added some changes here, yes, sir, these changes, okay, now the content of working directory and the staging area, so content is the different or not? Ray, respond. Content is the different or not? Yes, the content is different. The content itself is the different, right? Okay, now the same way here, just observe a bit very carefully about this one. So suppose here just I added here, just observe that. Suppose here I added to the staging area, I committed, right? Now after committing, sir, here some more changes I did. Now I added to staging area. Now observe that. So if you didn't commit the changes, then staging area content, and this local repository content may be different or not? Yes, can you please confirm? Is it maybe different or not? Yes, maybe different. Okay, like so what we required to talk is, take very special care about this one. So what will happen? There is, so sometimes our requirement is, Array, What is the difference in the content of working directory and staging area? What is the difference in the content of staging area and the local repository? What is the difference in the content of first commit and second commit with respect to file 1? What is the difference, sir, in what is the difference in the content of local repository and the remote repository? So it is very common requirement. It is very common requirement that we have to compare, sir, the content of your file in different areas. Is it commonly required or not? Yes, it is the commonly required, sir. For that, we require to use which command? Git diff command. Everyone in the position to understand? Can you please tell? So it's a very common requirement to find the differences in the content of your file. Okay, like working directory. Here, observe that working directory versus staging area. Next and after that, sir, working directory versus sir, the most recent commit, last commit, working directory versus last commit, staging area versus last commit, staging area versus last commit. Okay, working directory, versus a particular commit. Okay, like working directory versus a specified commit. Okay, next staging area versus a specified commit. Okay, like so, like multiple comparisons, it may require to perform in the git, sir. For all these comparisons, say we require to use git diff command. Are you in the position to understand, right? Array, one file is there in my working directory, sir, same file is there in the staging area, but I updated something. What is the difference in the content between working directory and the staging copy? Okay, what is the difference between staged copy and the last commit copy? Okay, like so, for such type of comparison sake, we require to go for which commands are git diff command. All the people are in the position to understand? Respond. All the people are in the position to understand what is the purpose of git diff command? Yes, good. Okay, now here, so to explain this command, let me create one project, and let me create environment, because multiple commits are required, multiple changes are required to perform in the file. What I want to take is, sir, observe very carefully, sir. Just a small demo project I have to explain. So for that demo project, okay, here just observe that what I have to take, I want to take two files, file1.txt and file2.txt. Before that, let me create a project. Sir, here pwd, sir, I mean d git projects, right? Mkdir project 4, mkdir project 4. Okay, like cd project 4. Can you please confirm? So now we are in the project 4. Automatically, sir, version control is applicable or not? Can you please confirm? Automatically version control is applicable for the project 4? Please respond. Is it applicable? No, we have to initialize local repository, then only version control is applicable. Git, what we have to take here? Git init. Sir, what the command? Git init is the command. Now the local repository is ready. Okay, now version control is available for our project 4. Now master branch also started available. Okay, like sir, now in this project 4, what I want to take, let me take file1.txt. Sir, very important. Observe very carefully, sir. Very important, sir. Here, line 1, line 1, line 1 in, or otherwise first line in. Okay, just first line in file1.txt. Okay, second line in file1.txt. Okay, like let me create a file and let me add two lines in that file. Okay, what I'm trying to take here, just vim editor. Okay, file1.txt, I'm trying to create a file. Okay, now insert the mode. Okay, let me just copy paste these two things. So here under, then 1 minute friends, 1 minute. Okay, here just wait for a minute, okay, here just what I'm trying to take, ignore the changes. Okay, let me take again, because a new line came, because comparison, right? So that blank line also should not be there, that's why. Okay, let me take vim Okay, like insert mode. Okay, like now let me paste here. Okay, that's all. Now here wq, sir, first file got completed. Okay, now let me create second file also, second file 2.txt also. Okay, now file 2.txt, sir, first line in file 2.txt, next second line in file 2.txt. Okay, like I'm trying to take, sir. Okay, now observe that blank line should not be. Yeah, here vim file 2.txt I'm taking. Now here insert. Now let me take sir, paste, and then wq. Okay, like I'm trying to take. That's all, sir. Sir, how many files we created? Can you please confirm? Respond. How many files we created, sir? Two files we created. Two files we created, right? Every file contain two lines. Every file contain two lines. Two lines. Let me commit these two files. So what I have to take, if I want to commit these two files, what I have to take? Can you please confirm? Git add dot. Can you please add to staging area? Next, and after that, git, sir, what I have to take? Commit hyphen m hyphen yeah, two files, two files, and each file contains two lines, and each file contains two lines. That's all. Okay, committed. So first commit, have you observed, right? So first commit, what two files, and each file contains two lines. Yeah, good. Any doubt about this one? Can you please confirm? Any doubt up to this? What I did? Yes, how many commits I did, son? Only one commit. Okay, these two. Now let me go for again for the second commit. Okay, again for the second commit, because I want to compare the content between two commits also. So that's why let me take again file1.txt. Here, third line in file1.txt. Next, fourth line in file1.txt. Fourth line in file1.txt. Let me add these two lines in file1.txt. Okay, here what I have to take? Vim file1.txt. Okay, already content is there. Insert. Okay, like now I'm trying to take sir colon wq. Okay, like similarly, let me take file2.txt also. Let me make some changes for file2.txt also. Okay, just because this environment just make ready, so that I can show clearly diff command how it is going to work. Are you feeling bored? Yes, friend. Okay, don't feel bored. If this environment is ready, then only you can check. Otherwise we can't, I can't demonstrate how the git diff command is working. Okay, like sir, now here just observe two more lines just I'm trying to add. Okay, third line in file 2, fourth line in file 2.txt. Okay, now wq. Okay, like now I want to save these two files again, because I did some changes after first comment. I want to commit these changes. Can you please tell so for first commit? I respond. What is the command? Git. What is the command? Git hyphen am. Can I use this one? Git commit hyphen am. Okay. Here two files, and each file contains okay, four lines, and each file contains four lines. Yes, hyphen a hyphen m. So directly hyphen am. So for first commit you can use combine both. In the Linux I covered, right? Multiple options are there, we can combine into single option, something like yes. Okay, happy. Sir, currently how many commits are there? Please confirm, friends. Currently how many commits are there? Respond. Two commits, right? So where is the proof for that? Git log hyphen one line I'm taking, sir. Yes, exactly. Two commits are available. So in the first commit, every file contain two lines, but in the second commit, every file contain four lines. Observe the difference, right? Any doubt about this one? Can you please confirm? So second commit, this is about second commit. Second commit, second commit message is two files, sir, and each file contain four lines. Okay, excellent. Now, sir, now what I want to take is, let me make some change to the file one. Very important, sir. Listen carefully. Let me make some change to the file 1. Sir, almost we are at end of the environment setup. Okay. Now, let me add the fifth line in file 1.txt. Okay. I want to add the one line in file 1.txt. Okay. Sir, when file 1.txt. Okay. Like, let me insert. Okay. Fifth line in file 1.txt. Okay. Sir, here wq. That's all. Now here observe that. Let me add this file to the staging area. Git add file 1.txt. Okay, like add it. Now observe very carefully about this one, sir. Sir, forget about this diagram. Let me create this diagram again. I don't want to touch remote directory as of now. Don't worry, sir. Let me take only these things, right? Okay. Now observe my scenario. This is working directory. Working directory. Sir, this one is staging area. Staging area. And this one is a local repo. Okay, local repository. Some people are going to use a shortcut repo like. Now here, how many commits are there? Can you please confirm? How many commits are there? 2 commits. As of now, how many commits are there? 2 commits. 2 commits are there. Next, in the 2 files, and each file contain 2 lines. In the first commit, 2 files, each file contain 2 lines. Here also 2 files, and each file contain 4 lines are there. Any doubt? Please confirm. Is it clear about the content of local repository, right? Next, in the staging area, file 1.txt. Okay, listen carefully, sir. In the staging area, file 1.txt contain how many lines? Please confirm. Please confirm how many lines? 5 lines. 5 lines, because I created this one, I added this one, and then git add file 1.txt also I did, sir. Okay, here 5 lines are there. Next, here 5 lines. 5 lines are there, sir. Okay, well. Now my next thing is, in the working directory, after adding to the staging area, again I want to perform some change. Okay, again I want to perform some change. Okay, like, now observe this a bit carefully, sir. What I'm trying to take, sir, here sixth line in file 1.txt. Let me add the in working copy. Okay, now here just vim file 1.txt. Okay, insert. Okay, like I'm trying to take. Now sixth line. Okay, now wq. That's all. Now observe carefully, sir. In the working copy file contain how many lines? Please confirm. Sir, file 1 contain how many lines? How many lines? 6 lines. How many lines? 6 lines. Okay. Now working directory contains 6 lines. The same file staging area contain 5 lines. But a local repository, sir, last recent commit contain 4 lines. But first commit contain only 2 lines. Wow. Now environment is ready. Now you can demonstrate, okay, how the diff command is going to work. Are you in the position to understand? Every area same file, but a different content is available. Okay, like, now my question is, observe carefully, sir. Sir, up to this, are you feeling comfortable? Anyone having the doubt? Please respond. Anyone having the doubt? Environment is ready. So 3 areas, 3 different, 3, so different content is there. There is a difference in our content. Okay, like, now here, sir, first case 1, what I want to compare is to see difference in file content, to see difference in file content between working directory, and the staging area. Remember this a bit very carefully, sir. I'm not talking about local repository. Okay, working directory and the staging area. I have to show the difference about these things, right? Okay, now observe carefully, right? So working directory and the staging area, there is a difference in our content or not? Working directory contain how many lines? Working directory contain how many lines? 6 lines. How many lines? 6 lines. But staging area contain how many lines? 5 lines. Oh, there is a difference in the content. What you can take is, sir, very, very simple. Git diff command file1.txt. That's all, sir. Okay, git diff command file1.txt. Sir, here I'm not providing any commit id. I'm not talking about hyphen stage or something like. Sir, simple plain git diff command I'm using. Okay, git there it show to compare working directory and the staging area. Remember a bit very carefully. Don't get confused. Listen very, very carefully, right? Sir, now let me take this command. Okay. Now here I'm trying to take git there file1.txt. Observe very, very carefully. So whatever the output we are going to get, let me explain this output, because for the future it is going to be very, very helpful, right? Sir, here this is the output we are getting. Okay, this is the output we are getting. Observe very carefully about this one. Sir, this is the warning. Anyway, let me remove this one. Okay, now git def file1.txt. Okay, like sir, now in your working directory contain some extra line or not? Please confirm. In your working directory contain some extra line or not? Yes, yes. Okay, now you can see. Sir, what the output? What about this line? What about this line? Okay, like what is these things? What is this one? Okay, like what about this? All these things, just 5 minutes. Let me explain. For the remaining, sir, git diff command invocation, I'm not going to explain. But for the first time, you people should have clear clarity line by line. Sir, just to compare working directory copy and staging area, which command we require to use, sir? Git diff command. You are talking about file one. 1 minute here. So for the future sake, let me explain. If you are not passing file 1, what will happen? Anyone, can you please guess? If I'm not passing here file 1 is not there. Assume that file 1 is not there. What will happen? What will happen? Yeah, it will find so differences in all the files. Okay, anyway, just let me strict to file 1. Okay, like sir, first line in the output. Okay, now let me talk about first line in the output, sir. This is the output we are getting. Okay, diff command, this is the format of the gain. Sir, a file1.txt. Don't feel a is a directory, like no. Just a file1.txt means source copy. Okay, source copy. Remember this one, sir. Source copy, which means sir, you are comparing which areas? Respond. Staging area and working directory. Staging area and working directory. Can you please tell which is the source copy? A means a source copy. Can you please tell? Sir, A itself is what is this one? A source copy, which means staging area copy or working directory copy. Remember, most of the people are going to feel this is working directory copy. No, source copy, which means staging area. Okay, like staging area. Okay, like next second line, b sir file1.txt. b file1.txt. Okay, like this is a destination copy. This is the destination copy, which means can you please spell out, sir? Destination copy, which means working directory. Okay, like this order it is going to consider whenever we are using git diff command. Source means staging area, destination means working directory. Okay, like it's always going to compare right to left. Remember this one, it's always going to compare right to left. That's why. So git diff command is always going to consider areas right to left, something like don't worry. So this is about first line. Any doubt about first line? Respond. Any doubt about first line? Clear, right? Okay, well. Sir, now second line. Okay, second line. It is the very important, sir. Second line. Here, just observe that index, index. Okay, like we are getting something like what is the meaning of this one, sir? What the meaning? What the meaning of this one, sir? It's a very simple, sir. The file content internally will be stored in the form of hash, in the form of hash. Sir, hashing algorithm is going to work. SHA-1 hashing algorithm will work. Internally the file content will be stored in the form of hash. Okay, this is the hash of, okay, source file content. Okay, remember, hash of source file content, hash of source file content. Okay, like next, sir, what is this one, sir? This one is hash of destination file content, hash of hash of destination file content. Okay, source means staging area. Okay, just now I covered, sir. Destination means working directory, working directory. Okay, like so index, so this is what hash of source file content, this is what hash of destination file content. Next, so we never going to use these two things. Don't worry at all, so don't feel these are the commit ids. No chance at all, these are not commit ids. Don't feel these are the commit ids, sir. I show, sir, just observe that git log. Okay, git log hyphen one line. Are you seeing anywhere these two lines here? No, you never going to see these two lines here. Okay, this is not here, and at least this is not. So these two things are different, and these things are different. Okay, don't feel these are the commit ids. No, just the hash of the content only. Okay, like clear? Any doubt about this one and this one? But we never going to use, just aware for your awareness sake only I'm telling. Next, what is this one, sir? 100 hash means yeah, Viraj is asking what is the meaning of hash. What is the meaning of hash? Hash means, sir, crypto, what we call this content will be converted into cryptographic form, the equivalent cryptographic equivalent code. Getting? Suppose here, just I have a big document is there, big document is there. I want to convert into, sir, cryptographic. Okay, cryptographic equivalent cryptographic, yeah, cryptographic content. Okay, equivalent content for security reasons. I don't want to save this document directly, so I want to save in the cryptographic. Some hash function will be required. Now this cryptographic content is nothing but this one. Okay, like do you know blockchain technology? Have you ever heard about blockchain technology? Blockchain, have you heard about more secure your bitcoin, ethereum, all these are things based on okay, hashing. So hashing, sir. Okay, like so here, sha-1 algorithm is going to be used to convert our content into cryptographic content, which is more secure. Okay, beyond that nothing. So memory will be saved, it is not address, equivalent content. So for our content, hash means not address, it is the equivalent cryptographic, what we call code. Okay, security is the one advantage, and the memory is also, memory space, memory utilization also will be improved. Suppose here, if you provide 100 pages document also, 100 pages document also, but we can convert this 100 pages document in the in blockchain just by using 70 characters alphanumeric code. 70 plus characters in alphanumeric code in sub blockchain technology. Do you know, right? That is sha-2 algorithm, but here sha-1 algorithm internally git is going to use. Don't worry, internal thing, ignore that. Okay, next, what this terminology, sir? Yeah, by the help of this code we can generate our file. Nirmal, we can't generate, git only can generate, Okay, the person who is performing encryption, the same person only can perform decryption. We can't. That's why if any person just by seeing this code, can you please tell equivalent content? If anyone is going to check, where is the security? Getting okay. Next, what is about this content? What about this content, sir? What is this, sir? This is called git file mode. This is called git file mode. Okay, like sir, now here just observe 100 sir. First three digits. Now observe first three digits. Three digits means 100, specifies, represents type of the file, represents the type of file. Okay, something like ASCII text file. Okay, what is this one? ASCII text file. This is ASCII text file. Okay, like next next three digits. Okay, next three digits somewhere in the last sessions we covered. Next three digits 644 represents file permissions, represents file permissions, file permissions. Okay, I hope you people may aware file permissions we covered already in the Linux. The people who don't know Linux don't come to DevOps area. Okay, remember that compulsory you should have clear clarity on the Linux. Okay, 644 means user permissions are write, read, write, no execute permission. Next 4 means read. Next read, like sir, here take very special care. See, here 4 means read, 2 means write, next 1 means execute. Somewhere we covered right in our Linux sessions. Have you remembered? Somewhere we covered in our Linux sessions these things. That's you should aware. So that's all. So second line, what it is going to indicate? Okay, like a file mode, file permissions. Next and after that hash of source copy and the hash of destination copy. Okay, like next here take a bit very special care about this one, sir. Third line, if you observe third line, this is the third line, sir. This is the third line, sir. Hyphen means sir, source copy missing some lines, source copy missing some lines. So source copy means which one? Respond. Source copy means which one? Which one? Staging area. Have you remembered? Source copy means which one? Staging area. Sir, in the staging area, how many lines are there? Only 5 lines. But in working directory, how many lines are there? 6 lines. Remember this one. Next plus okay, next line plus b. Okay, plus means destination copy. Okay, like sir, plus means sir, here plus means plus, sorry, plus means new lines added in destination copy. Which is the destination copy, sir? Working directory. That's all. So fourth line is also very clear in our output, sir. If you observe that, now have a look once. What is the output we are getting, sir? Sir, this is so. What is the this is the first line we covered, second line we covered, third line we covered, sir. Fourth line also we discussed. Okay, well, sir, now what is the next thing we require to talk? Sorry, 1 minute. Let me use our command again. Yeah, sir, here. So first line, second line. Okay, like it's clear. Now the next thing here, what is the meaning of this one? Very important, friends. Very important. Now have a look once, sir. What is the meaning? What is the meaning of this fifth line? Okay, like sir, minus 3 means here minus 3 here. Minus means minus means source version. Remember that minus means source version. Okay, 3 from third line onwards. From third line onwards, total 3 lines. From third line onwards, total three lines, okay, like it's going to tell. Sir, from third line onwards, total three lines means third, fourth, fifth. Yes, in the source copy, is these lines are available or not? Please confirm. In the source means, do you know staging area? These files are available or these lines are available or not? Yes, third line, fourth line, fifth line, like, okay, like it is the meaning, sir. Okay, now from third line onwards, okay, so total three lines. Next, plus 3 4. What is the meaning of this one, sir? Plus 3 4 means from, okay, here plus means destination copy. Plus means destination copy. Destination version means working directory. So from third line onwards, onwards, total four lines. Okay, from third line onwards, total four lines means, yes, is it correct or not? Can you please confirm? In the destination copy, third line onwards, total four lines means, yes. Friends, can you please observe? Each and every line we are performing postmortem. Okay, theoretically no problem at all. So just it is considering, okay, like so, because the remaining lines is the same, don't worry. Yeah. Next, here in the output also, output, so don't feel why it's always considering from third line onwards. No such type of standard. But if you go to the next example, it may consider from second line only. If you go for next example, it may consider from first line only. Okay, don't worry about, sir, these numbers won't be fixed. These numbers are varied from comparison to comparison. Ashutosh, just a basic idea sake I'm showing, beyond that nothing. Clear? Yeah. Okay. Now here, just observe carefully, right? Sir, in the lines, if you observe, these lines starts with the space. Correct, right? The first three lines starts with the space. But this line starts with the plus symbol. This line starts with the plus symbol. Okay, like, sir, now observe that. If any line, okay, if any line starts with the prefix with the space means, sir, it is unchanged. Boss, these lines are unchanged. These lines are unchanged. In both files, these lines are there. Okay, like, so if any line prefixed with, if any line prefixed with the space means, it is unchanged. Means, it is unchanged. Next, if any line prefixed with the plus means, it is it is added in destination copy. Added in destination copy. Copy, like, sir, if any line prefixed with the minus, you can guess what is the meaning of minus. It is removed removed in the destination copy. Are you getting? So these three lines starts with the space means, these lines are not changed, and but plus a symbol is there means, this line is added in the destination copy. So in our working directory, this new line is added when compared with the staging area. Any doubt? Can you please confirm? So based on this total comparison, clear indication that one new line added in working copy when compared with the staging area. Okay, that's all. By seeing this, we can conclude. Any doubt? So what is our conclusion? We can conclude one new line added in working copy when compared with, the staging copy or staged copy. Yeah. Okay. But anyway, theoretically, yeah, you people may feel bored, but this knowledge is really required. So having complete idea is really essential for you people, right? That's why don't feel bored. Just even each and every line line to line I'm explaining in the output. Yes, friends. So any explanation is required about this one? What is the meaning of diff? What is the A? What is the B? Don't feel A and B are direct relation. No, it is the source version. It is the destination version. It is the index. Next and after that, here what is the meaning of this? So which line is extra there in the destination copy? Which is the destination copy? You have clear clarity about this one. Okay. Yes. Yes. Always changes will be shown with respect to the destination. Ashutosh, correct. Because Git is always going to consider Git comparison. Git diff tool is always going to consider from right to left. Okay. Now, the next, sir, up to this we compare which comparison? Can you please tell? First, which comparison we tested, sir? Working directory and the staged copy. Correct, right? Working directory and the staged copy. Okay, like, sir, now second thing what I have to discuss is take very special care about this one. Sir, the second one, working directory and the last commit I want to compare. Okay, working directory versus last commit I have to compare. Please take a bit very special care, sir. Second comparison, working directory versus last commit. Okay, but again I'm telling, don't give that much importance for this. These numbers are varied from comparison to comparison. Just for basic idea sake only, I covered these things. Okay, well, while considering next examples, definitely you people are going to get much clarity about this one. Okay, sir, now working directory versus last commit I have to compare. What is the way, sir? Very simple. Get def. 1 minute. Observe carefully, sir. So git def. Now in the last somewhere we covered. Okay, how many people remember? I'm not sure. In our local repository, how many commits are there? Can you please confirm? How many commits are there? Two commits. The most recent commit referred by the most recent commit referenced by master. Have you remembered? Somewhere I told. But anyway, in the branching concept, I will explain. The most recent commit referenced by master. Okay, like this master referenced by one more head. Have you remembered? Head. Okay, head is a reference to master. It is the symbolic reference, a reference to another reference. So head referred to master, master referred to last commit. So indirectly head is also refers to last commit only. Any doubt? Please confirm. Yes, friends. Any doubt about this? Okay. Now it's very clear. So we have to compare with last commit. Last commit, last commit can be referenced by head. Correct or not? Last commit can be referenced by head. Okay, like now git def head we require to take file1 .txt. Okay, git dev head file1 .txt. Remember carefully, sir. Sir, here, so it will compare which ones are last commit and the working directory. Last commit and the working directory. It's going to compare, sir. So observe very carefully about this. Now my question is, last commit file 1 contain how many lines? Please respond. File 1 contain how many lines? Last commit. File 1 contain 4 lines. 4 lines. But working copy contain how many lines? Working copy contain how many lines? 6 lines. 6 lines. Now it will become source copy. It will become destination copy. Right to left. It will become source copy. It will become destination copy. Then automatically, sir, now observe that this is the command we require to use. 2 lines extra added in working copy. Okay, like yeah. Now here just observe carefully about this, right? Okay, let me execute my command. Can you please guide? Sir, I forgot. Get def. What I have to use? Head means last commit only. Okay. Next, file one dot txt. Okay, like now observe that, sir, here, how many lines extra added in the destination version? Now observe carefully, right? Sir, here, how many lines extra added in the destination version? Two lines extra added. Now observe carefully. Forget about this nonsense here. Okay, sir, here source copy means last commit. Next, destination copy means working directory. So from 2 to 2, from second line onwards, 3 lines. From second line onwards, 3 lines in the source copy. In the source copy means commit copy. Next, from second line onwards, 5 lines. Sorry, here. These 2 lines extra added in our working copy. Any doubt? Are you feeling comfortable? So how to compare last commit and working directory? Clear for you people? Okay, now I'm not required to keep any explanation about these things. You can understand. So 2 lines are there. Now the third one. If you take like git def one file one data, it won't Ashutosh. It is not going to work. Okay. Why head? Generally head can be used, master can be used to refer branch, head can be used to refer commit. General word. Okay, take a bit special care about this terminology, right? Any explanation is required? Please respond. Okay, this is about the second thing what you should aware. Now the third comparison I want to take. Sir, up to these two comparisons we did. What is the first comparison? Working directory, working directory versus staged copy. Next and after that, working directory versus okay, last commit we did. What is the third one? Next one, can you please tell? Now, what you want to compare? Staged copy, staged copy versus last commit. Staged copy versus last commit. Observe that. So, as per our diagram, okay, staged copy file one contain how many lines? Please confirm. File one contain 5 lines. But last commit file contain how many lines? Only 4 lines. Oh, one line added in the staged copy. One line added in the staged copy. Okay, like now here, how you can compare staged copy versus last commit? We have to use staged option or cached option. We can use either staged option or cached option. Okay, like now here observe carefully. Git def staged. You have to compare with the last commit head file one dot txt. Any doubt? Are you feeling comfortable? Yes, friends. If you want to compare, staged copy with the last commit, okay, like you can use. Now have a look once about this terminology, right? Okay. Now observe that. What is the answer we are getting, sir? In the staged copy, one line extra added. Are you feeling comfortable? Yes, in the staged copy, one line extra added. Okay, like so in the destination, from second line onwards, total 3 lines. Second line onwards, total 3 lines. But second line onwards, total 4 lines. Yes, you can see. Okay, next here interchange is not there. Okay, next one more thing. Okay, here head is optional. even you are not mentioning head, even you are not mentioning head, okay, it is always going to compare. Even we are not going to mention head, it is always going to compare staged copy with the last commit only. Remember that, staged copy with the last commit only. Okay, like now observe carefully. Yes, am I getting same output or not? Yes, is it the same or not? Yeah, this is what you should aware about staged copy versus last commit. Remember carefully about this one, sir. Okay, like sir, now the next thing what I have to tell, very very important for you. Just observe carefully about the next one, sir. Sir, here you are telling working copy, working copy, working copy and last commit, or staged copy last commit, or working copy or staged copy, like. But now I don't want to talk about working copy or staged copy. I want to know the difference between, I want to know the difference between. So here just observe that working copy and the specified commit. Okay, remember, working copy and the specified commit. I don't want last commit, I don't want last commit. Okay, maybe first commit or maybe in the middle some more commits are there. I want to compare working copy with the specific commit. How you can do that? Okay, like so working directory, working directory versus a specific commit, versus a specific commit. Okay, let me explain. Working copy versus specific commit. Sir, in my repository how many commits are there? Please respond. In the repository how many commits are there? Two commits, right? Okay, here git log hyphen hyphen one line. So this is the recent head recent commit, but this one is the first commit. First commit contain how many lines? File 1 contain how many lines? Can you please confirm? File 1 contain how many lines? How many lines? Only two lines, only two lines. But my working copy contain how many lines? Six lines. My working copy contain how many lines? Six lines. Now what I want to take is git def, git def. Now just the 7 characters. Git def, just let me take 7 characters of that specific commit, followed by file1.txt. Okay, like now when compared with sir this particular command, my working copy contain 4 lines extra. Am I getting that or not? Okay, have a look once here, observe carefully. Yes, here from 1 to second, from one line to total 2 lines, means these two in the specified commit, these two in the specified commit. But working copy from line 1 to total 6 lines, from line 1 to total 6 lines, these 2 lines starts with the space, means no, not changed, unchanged line. But these things are extra added, extra added. Where these things are extra added, sir? Working directory. Yes, are you in the position to understand clearly? Yes, any doubt about this one? Just if you just execute this command and just observe the difference, so that you can get much clarity. Have you observed, right? Now I hope it is the more clear, it is the more clear. Okay, like okay, now we covered working directory versus specific commit. Similarly, staged area, staged copy or staging area versus staging area versus specific commit. I want, sir, specific commit. So instead of head, you require to use, okay, that particular commit. Okay, now git def hyphen hyphen staged, hyphen hyphen staged. Have you observed what is the commit ID? Second last commit I'm taking, sir. Okay, this is old first commit, commit ID. Okay, file1.txt I'm taking. Okay, observe carefully, right? If I can take like this, staged copy contain how many lines? Please confirm. Staged copy contain how many lines? 5 lines. 5 lines. But working, so this particular commit contain how many lines? Only 2 lines. Only 2 lines. So 3 lines extra. Okay. Let me execute this command. Let me execute this command. Okay, like now observe that. Okay, in the source copy only 2 lines, but in the destination copy 3 lines extra. Respond. Are you feeling comfortable? Okay, so working copy with a specific commit. Next, staged copy with a specific commit. How you can compare? Okay, like next, sixth one, sir. Okay, observe carefully. So now my requirement is I want to between specified commits, first commit, second commit, or first commit, third commit, first commit, fifth commit. What is the difference in the content? I want to know. So between two specified commits, between two specified commits. Okay, between two specified commits, how we can do that? Okay, between two specified commits, how you can do that, sir? Okay, like sir, very simple. Okay, what command we require to use is, sir, currently how many commits are there between two commits? Don't worry. Okay, currently how many commits are there? Two commits. Git log hyphen one line. Okay, in real time, so hundreds of commits are there, thousands of commits are there, right? Don't worry, sir, your process is the same. Now I want to compare. Now observe very carefully about this one, sir. Sir, this is the out, these are the two commits. Get def, I'm taking. This is the source. First I'm taking this one. This is the source. Next, this is the destination. Sorry. This is the destination. Destination I'm taking. This is the destination. The same, different. Okay, destination. And then file1.txt. Okay. With respect to file1, with respect to file1, can you please confirm? So how many lines difference is there? Source copy, first commit means source copy, only 2 lines, but here 4 lines are there. Okay, 2 lines extra added in the destination copy. Now first I took this one, that's why source and the destination. In the destination copy, 2 lines extra added. Okay, now observe this one. Source is the first commit and the destination is the second commit, because in that order I specified. Now observe. So here 2 lines extra added. Okay, in the second commit. Okay, well. Now my requirement is, let me interchange these two. Now observe, git def. Okay, first I'm taking source copy. I'm taking last commit. Destination copy I'm taking first commit. Here say this one, file1.txt. Sir, when compared with the source copy, what is the difference in the destination copy? Source copy contain 4 lines, but the destination copy contain only 2 lines. 2 lines minus. 2 lines minus. Okay. Now observe carefully. Yes, observe. So in the source copy 1 to 4, source copy 1 to 4, destination copy 1 to 2. In the destination copy, these 2 lines are removed. Are you feeling comfortable? If I change the order, then automatically reverse we are getting. Yes, friends. How you can use between two specified commits? Remember a bit very carefully, sir. Next, one more thing I want to talk. Okay, just have a look once. It's a very easy, sir. Just for learning first time, you may feel a bit difficult because theoretical, but nothing is there. Hardly matter of 5 minutes. Once the session completed, you can list out all these commands. Then matter of 5 minutes, you can aware. But anyway, to understand this much time I'm spending. Next, one more thing, to see the difference in the file content between between last commit versus last commit versus last but one commit. Ayo, what is the meaning of this one? What is the meaning of this one? Last commit versus last but one commit. Okay. Suppose assume that there are 7 commits are there. Okay. Assume this is the commit 7. Okay. Assume that there are 7 commits are there, sir. Okay. Commit 7, commit 6. Next and after that commit 5, 4, 4, 3. Okay. 2, 1. Okay. Like a 7. Now, which is the last commit? This is the last commit. Commit 7 is the last commit. Last but one commit means, please confirm. Last but one commit means commit 6. Correct line? Hey, respond. Why you are thinking last but one commit means commit 6. Commit 6. How you can compare these two commits? Okay, very, very simple. Get def. What is the commit ID of this? Anyone, can you please tell? What is the commit ID of last commit? How you can refer? How you can refer? Head. How to refer this one, sir? How to refer this one? Okay, head tilde 1. Okay, remember this one. Head tilde 1 means okay, tilde 1, not -1. Okay, head tilde 1. So from the top, so first one from the top means this is 1. Okay, like next file 1.txt. Now observe, source head, but destination is the second. Source contain 4 lines, but the destination contain only 2 lines. Okay, now there is a difference. Now have a look once. Yes, have you observed, right? Now are you seeing correct? Is it working properly or not? Please confirm. Is it working properly or not? Yes, when compared with the head latest command, now in the destination copy, 2 lines removed. Okay. Yeah. Well, sir, now here just observe this one. Even the same thing you can take head the cap 1 also. Yes, even it is also allowed, sir. Here instead of 1, if you want to refer this one, if you want to refer this one 2, if you want to refer this 3, if you want to refer like you can take the numbers, no problem at all. Okay, instead of here cap symbol, am I getting the same output or not? Yes, here I use a cap symbol, even it is also allowed. Next, even we are not using just a one cap, that's all. Cap by default is going to consider 1. If you are not specifying 1, by default 1. Now also same output by default we are going to get. Okay, same output by default we are going to get. Same output, right? Okay, well, any doubt? Are you feeling comfortable? Last commit versus last but one commit without the commit IDs. Without the commit IDs. I'm not using any commit ID. Just only with the references only I'm comparing. Okay. Now, Ashutosh, observe this. Now my requirement is between two commits. Between two commits. Okay. I want to compare all the files. Okay. Now compare all files. All files between two commits. Compare all files between two commits. Get def. Okay. What is the first commit? There are two commits I took, sir. Sir, these are the two commits are there. Okay. Now, sir, all files I want to know. Don't specify file 1. Then it is going to show all files comparison. Okay. Source I'm taking first commit, and destination I'm taking last commit. That's all. Don't specify any file names. Now in the first file, which difference is there? In the second file, which difference is there? Clearly it is going to tell. Okay, now two files are available, right, sir? Now observe that in every file 2 lines are added. In every file 2 lines are added when compared with the first commit in the second commit. Now let me take this one. Let me take this. Yeah, here observe carefully. Now my output is, sir, this is the output what I'm getting. Now observe carefully. Observe carefully here. Yeah. Here, this is the difference related to file 1. Related to file 1. Okay. So here 2 lines extra added. 2 lines extra added. Now this is the difference related to file 2. 2 lines extra added. Friends, everyone in the position to understand clearly what is the meaning, what is the meaning of this one. Okay, like sir Ashutosh, sir, the same thing even you can use. This is head tilde 1 under this one is the head. Correct, right? Correct, right? This is head tilde 1 under this is the head. Okay, now let me compare. Am I going to get the same output or not? Yes, why not? Why not? Okay, here just have a look once. Can you please observe? Getting the same output or not? This is the head 1. Head hyphen 1 means first commit. Head means last commit. When compared with first commit, last commit, 2 lines are added in file1.txt. Next 2 lines are added in file2.txt. Is it working properly or not? Ashutosh, clear, right? Yes, all the people, can you please? Okay, so that's all. It's going to show all the files whatever there, sir. Okay, next one more thing I have to talk. Currently in my system, git log hyphen 1 line. If I can take this one, sir, here head master is name of the branch or not? Can you please confirm? Master itself is name of the branch name of the branch. How many branches are there with me in my repository? How many branches are there? Only one branch. Only one branch. Only one branch, master branch. That's all. I didn't create any second branch. Yes, I didn't create any other branch because branching concept not yet covered. Okay, but anyway, tomorrow if we are going to talk about, I want to create one more branch. One more branch, sir. Is the diff command helpful to compare content of two branches or not? Yes, to see differences. To see, okay, differences, to see the differences in content in the content between two branches. Between two branches. Okay, like so to see differences in content of between two branches, right? Okay, how you can do that, sir? Very simple. Get def master branch, and then test branch. Test is my own created branch. Of course, I will discuss in detail how you can create a branch and so on. So to compare two branches, what is the content difference? Yes, even for that also it is going to be helpful. Just aware for your idea sake. Are getting in the future? So if it is required, sir, I have master branch is there, test branch is there. In these two branches, what is the difference in the content? Can you please let me know? Happily, you can use that, no problem at all. Next, to see, okay, difference in local repository, local repository, local repository, and the remote repository, local repository and the remote repository. Yes, remote repository concept not yet covered. There I will discuss, sir. Don't worry, sir. Even that also you can do that. Get def master. What is this one? Can you please confirm? Oh, respond. Can you please confirm? Get def master. Master branch in local repository. Next, origin. Origin is the remote branch URL in the master, like. So what is the meaning of origin? Okay, this concept we will discuss in the remote repositories. There I will discuss in detail. Just get the basic idea about these things, right? Of course, to compare local repository versus remote repository, happily you can use this one. To compare, okay, so two branches in the local repository, happily git diff command can be used. So git diff command is the most commonly used command to see the difference in the content. All the people are in the position to understand. Please confirm. Okay, well, just a matter of 5 minutes. Let me create summary whatever we covered. Okay, what is the first one? Okay, what is the first one, sir? Okay, working directory versus staged copy. Okay, can you please tell what is the command? Get def file1.txt. That's all. It's always going to compare working copy with the staged copy. Okay, like next working directory. Okay, now working directory versus last commit. Okay, get get there head last commit. How I can refer, sir? Head file1.txt. Okay, like next sir, next third one I covered, sir. Staged area. Okay, staging area versus last commit. Yes, I forgot, sir. Anyone, can you please tell? I forgot. Git, sir, def hyphen staged. Okay, head file1.txt. Okay, file1.txt we can use, but here head is optional. Instead of hyphen staged, you can use hyphen cached also. Even it is also applicable. Head is optional anyway. Okay, like we covered, right? Next working directory working directory versus a specific commit. What is the way, sir? Working directory versus specific commit. Get def. Okay, working directory versus a specific commit. Sir, commit id, sir. Next file1.txt. Okay, any explanation is required? Working directory versus specific commit, you have to specify like next staged copy versus a specific commit. Okay, staging area versus specific commit. Only difference hyphen staged we require to use. That's all. Hyphen staged we require to use, right? Next between two commits. Okay, between between two commits like get, sorry. Okay, get def source commit id and destination commit id. That's all. Okay, next file1.txt. file1.txt. Okay, like next this part we covered already, right? Next, and after that, sir, here my requirement is, so I want to compare between, sir, head last commit versus last but one commit. How you can do that? Okay, get def. Okay, head I'm taking and then head, sir, tilde one or cap one, something like happily you can use cap one followed by file1.txt. Okay, like file1.txt I'm taking. Okay, well, sir, next do you know, to compare all files, don't use file name. Okay, to compare all files, don't use file name. That's our get-def first commit id, second commit id. Don't use any file name, then it's going to compare all files. Okay, like next sir, here two branches branches in local repository. Two branches in local repository. Git their source branch name, destination branch name like, sir. Next local repo versus a remote repo. How you can do that? Okay, sir, git there, okay, just local branch name versus, okay, remote branch name, okay, like sir, something like master branch in local. Next, in the remote branch, how you can specify origin followed by master. Wow, excellent friends. Do you know these many things are there, okay, like if a head is not referring to last file, last commit, then you can't use this one. Okay, there is a concept, is there a detached head concept? Okay, then in this case you can't use. If a head refers last commit, then happily you can use. If a head is referring somewhere else, then better to refer last commit, means it's commit id only. Ashutosh, yeah, clear? Any explanation is required? Sir, beautiful concept. Seems to be a bit theory, but compulsory you people should have clear clarity about this concept, friends. Just if possible, okay, try to sir, just practice these commands, okay, so that you will get much clarity, okay, like sir, now everything I showed from the command, if a GUI tool is there, graphical user interface UI tool is there to see the difference, then we can feel more comfortable. How you can, do you have any tool for that, okay, to see the differences? In the next session I will explain, sir, all these differences with respect to a tool, so that you people can feel how you can use tools with the git, that part also, so that you will get much clarity. Yes, okay, right, sir, thanks. So in the next session we will meet again.